tuberculosis, not listening to my voice, because the shepherd, the good shepherd for whom we are, knows that the sheep will hear the voice of the shepherd.
Of course.
And listen. Those that are the extreme right sitting, we know you are the ones the IG was talking about that would have instigated mayhem and violence. But we are here. If you know you came for this rally, you came for this protest rally, the event is here. We have plugged into the National Assembly oxygen here. If you stay at the extreme right and suffocate, don't blame the leadership. Greatest Nigerian workers. I see some still going to struggle for Agbado. We have gone past Agbado era. Now we want to benefit from the resource of our country very fast. Well, initially they felt that it is better to keep the poor voices away while they make heavy weather of their text messages. But we needed to come and so that they can see us. We are directly here. Comrades, I'm aware that the president of Nigerian Labour Congress is here. I know that the president of the Trade Union Congress is here. And I know the leaders of all affiliates are here. I don't want any
as the National Assembly people, no one come outside, can't see them, and then they agitate, say if they don't come out, they will force the door open again, as they force the gate open. Inside the National Assembly complex, where Nigerian workers, then they agitate, make the lawmakers come outside, go attend to them. country people, the workers, then they struggle to enter inside.
Come back. Let's go down.
Country people like Britain now, this is BBC Pidgin service, and we come to live from the National Assembly Complex for Abuja, Nigeria capital. The Nigeria Labour Congress and the Trade Union Congress, and they do we no go gree waka today. And the waka start from Unity Fountain to Federal Ministry of Justice. From there, they don't come the National Assembly. And I remember say the main gate of the National Assembly, them been locked up, security people not let them enter. But the workers force the gate down. Then bring down parts of the gate to get access into the National Assembly Complex. So as I see for this live video, that the National Assembly Complex now with day like this, and it is hot for inside the National Assembly Complex. As the workers they agitate, make lawmakers come outside, come talk to them. But till now they never see anybody. So the Gragra one I mean they see earlier for this live video. Now the workers when they agitate, so they won't enter inside the chamber by force to go meet the lawmakers. And in case you don't know what then they para for, then they para sake of say Nigerian government remove fuel subsidy. We almost triple the price of fuel across the country. And some of the workers talk say even their salary safe, no they even cover their transportation to and fro office for 1 month. Then they also beg government, took eye for the minimum wage. Sake of say things don't increase well. And I know say well now from 615 naira to 630 naira per litre for some parts of the country. So workers they para say they're not the fit survive with their salary again. School fees don't increase, transportation don't increase, food prices don't cost. These now the things them where the workers carry come National Assembly to come tell government. So country people will still there for the nationwide protest waka for Nigeria. This one where they show us so now inside Nigeria Parliament complex. Now in this one they happen like this. Now they see the crowd of workers way through this place, some people see they come. In case you just join us, this is BBC Pidgin. Now we come to live from the National Assembly Complex, Abuja, Nigeria capital, where the umbrella body for workers and traders they do one-day nationwide protest to protest the total removal of fuel subsidy where Nigeria government do. Earlier, for the Federal Ministry of Justice, where them be stopped, former NLC President Ayuba Waba, they para for government, sake of say all the promises where government don't tell them, say the refineries will work. It never still work up till now. And then talk say the plan where government say then go do, the middle and long-term plan is too far. So then they tell government, make government do immediate plan where go cushion the effects of the subsidy removal, because the thing they bite workers for body very well. Now they see the number They come out in their numbers.
We are Nigerians. We are not a foreigner. They should treat us right. We are Nigerians. UBC. We are Nigerians. They should treat us right. Give us our right. That is all.
Waiting the vaccine where you come here today. Why you come here today?
My coming here is that we are fighting for our right. Let them give us our right. And what is happening in this in Nigeria, things are caused because of the increment of oil in Nigeria. So we need our right. That is all what we need.
You need to let them know. We're not doing what I give us.
Country people, now so it be for the National Assembly. We go come back. We go come back when the lawmakers don't come outside to come address the workers. Make we match small break, we go come back.
Why? Why are we suffering when we have everything in abundance? We have CNGs not working since 1997. CNG is less than 50 naira. And we are buying fuel for 800 naira. We are dying. BBC, we can die. We no go agree. If they say they don't agree, we no go agree. We die here together. We say no to anti-human policies. We say no to evil policies. We say no to the right of our to the infringement of our rights. We say no to everything they are doing. Put the refinery in place. Put the refinery in place. We have 4 refineries in Nigeria and none is working. And Nigeria is one among the leading OPEC countries that is not producing. And yet we have everything in abundance. Allow us to breathe. We are dying.
Okay, country people, now one of the protesters begins where they para.
That is the sign of death. We are dying.
Now one of the protesters be that Nigerian workers where they para about the refineries when they work for the country. Country people make a match break, yeah? We go come back shortly. No go take. Come back.